Sandwich recipes for breakfast will always make your morning rush a little smoother. Today, I'm going to share with you two simple sandwich recipes that I usually opt for busy mornings. Hello, welcome back to another video of Passion to Cook. Myself, Shruti Shami. My first recipe is a vegetable sandwich with a ranch dressing. From the vegetables, I've taken a quarter cup of cabbage, carrot, bell pepper and corn. For the dressing, I'm adding 2 tablespoons of ranch. You can also substitute it with mayonnaise. And also 1 tablespoon of sandwich spread. A quarter teaspoon of crushed chili or pepper powder. Mix all the ingredients and our sandwich filling is ready. I've taken 4 slices of brown bread and I'm going to spread some butter. Spread the filling over 1 slice. Once done, toast it in an oven or a pan or a sandwich maker. Spread more butter and toast until it's golden brown. Almost 2 minutes and our sandwich is ready. So as you can see, it's very simple and healthy at the same time. Try this recipe if you have leftover vegetables at home and for a fuss-free morning. Our second recipe is a chocolate banana sandwich. For that, I'm going to heat a pan and add 1 tablespoon of butter. I have some chopped bananas. I'm going to slightly toast it. Once it turns light golden, add 1 or 2 tablespoons of sugar. Next, I'm adding a quarter cup of grated coconut. Toss it for 1 or 2 minutes and finish off with 1 teaspoon of cardamom powder. Now the filling is ready. Spread some chocolate over 1 slice. If you have a sweet tooth, then go for both the sides. I'm placing the filling over the other slice. Now toast it and the sandwich is ready. This sandwich is a treat for kids. It has the goodness of fruit and chocolate. So I hope you all enjoyed this quick and healthy sandwich recipes. Try this out and leave your comments. Thank you for watching.